food delivery giant Zomato, which became a household brand during the pandemic-induced lockdown, delivered a stellar performance when it debuted on the stock exchange Friday. Zomato's shares soared as much as 82% to 138 rupees a share in early trading. They finished the day at 126 rupees, a gain of almost 66%. The Delhi-based startup, now valued at $13.3 billion, is the first among a herd of startups planning to cash in on the momentum in India's IPO market. At least 9 of the 11 ventures that are planning initial public offerings are unicorns, private companies valued at $1 billion or more that have raised several rounds of capital from both homegrown and global venture capital firms, private equity players and wealthy individuals. Zomato's IPO, which closed last week, was a much bigger success than anticipated. The offering was oversubscribed more than 38 times, with the retail category alone being oversubscribed 7.45 times. The company raised 93.75 billion rupees, $1.25 billion, through a fresh issue of shares and an offer for sale from its parent. Close on the heels of Zomato's debut will be mobile payments and commerce platform Paytm, whose board just last week approved the public listing of its shares to raise 166 billion rupees. Paytm has also sought the approval of the Capital Markets Regulator Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. Paytm founder Vijay Shekhar Sharma, who became a billionaire in 2017 at age 38 and is currently worth $2.3 billion, is expected to reap IPO riches. The spate of offers in the pipeline also includes digital payments company MobiKwik, which has already filed its draft red herring prospectus to raise about 19 billion rupees. Next in line is online insurance aggregator Policy Bazaar, whose board has approved a restructuring and renaming of the parent company to PB Fintech prior to the float. It's proposing to raise up to 65 billion rupees through a fresh issue of shares and an offer for sale. Online e-commerce marketplace Flipkart, which was acquired by U.S. retailer Walmart in 2018, is also expected to file for an IPO. Last week, Flipkart raised $3.6 billion at a valuation of $37.6 billion from a host of investors, including GIC, Canada Pension Plan Investment Board and SoftBank. This is believed to be Flipkart's pre-IPO round. The listing is expected to boost the net worths of its 2 billionaire founders, Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal, who continue to hold minority stakes though they no longer run the company. Other companies that are likely to seek public listings are ride-hailing firm Ola Cabs, hotel room aggregator Oyo Rooms, online pharmacy Pharmeasy, Pine Labs, logistics firm Delhivery, Freshworks, beauty products retailer Nykaa, all of which are already unicorns, and furniture seller Pepperfry. For all their lofty valuations, the majority of these companies are not yet profitable. What makes these IPOs attractive, especially for retail investors, is growth, says TV.